Hello everyone. Excuse my appearance. I know I look like, I don't even know what I look like right now. I know it's been a while since I did a vlog, so I thought, why not do a vlog? I guess it is a day in my life, but I'm not really gonna show you the whole day, just I'm doing something today, so I thought I would like get you guys along with me and follow me around a little bit. Just kept on going out. I'm just doing my hair today. As you guys can see, it's wash day today, but I thought I would do my color because it's not that I don't actually love my natural color. It's just sometimes I put color on just to have more shine to it, I guess, and I like it a bit darker, but I still love my color. And also, I don't know if you guys can see, I have a lot of whites, but I'll show you what I use, but it's not necessarily to like cover my white hair, but I don't even know why I'm saying that, to be honest, because it's like cover my white hair, whatever I do. So yeah, I'm just gonna take you guys along with wash day, I guess, today. And yeah, like I said, today is I'm washing my hair, so it's like I don't look cute, you know. But just so you guys know, my hair is, I might also cut it because it's been like I think 6 months since I cut it, and I like to cut it like actually every time I do my relaxer, which sometimes I do it only like once a year, so you guys can see. Actually, I'm gonna go somewhere else so you guys can see better. Okay, so I don't know if you guys can see pretty well right now. Okay, so this is my hair. I didn't brush it yet. I just took off my elastic. So this is my hair here. It's pretty long, honestly. Like it goes up to like somewhere here, I think. But every time I do my relaxer, like you guys can see like up to here. Every time I do my relaxer, I cut it like to about here sometimes. I just go with like the flow, I guess. Sometimes I just cut the length, but sometimes I do like a proper cut, and I'll cut like maybe like a bit of the bang, but just a little bit. But this time I think I'm gonna cut like not a lot, because to me it's like normal to cut that much, but I mean like maybe a bit shorter than usual. I'll cut it like to about here somewhere, when right now my hair is like up to here. So yeah, that's what I'm doing today. I'm gonna do my color. I'm gonna show you what I use. So yeah, if you guys want to see, it's really dirty right now, but this is my hair. This is my natural color. You guys can see, like I said, I have a lot of white, but like I said, I don't really cover it because anyways, I only use 10 volume. So if you guys know a little bit about hairdressing, if you really want to cover your white hair, you're supposed to use 20 volume, but I only do 10 volume, so it just does like a deposit of color. That's why I say like I like it when it's a bit more dark and it's a bit more shiny. It's really just to like have some kind of nice like base, I guess. I could put it that way. You guys can see like here, I feel like it's a bit damaged, so I'm gonna try and cut it. Like the front pieces are about to here and my hair length is about to here. I'm gonna cut it. This might be a 2-day vlog because I don't know if, maybe I'll show you the end result tomorrow because I don't know when I'm gonna be done. It doesn't take me long to color my hair, to be honest. It takes about like maybe an hour. Like, and this is coloring and washing, because anyways I only leave the color on for like maybe 20 minutes. Not even, you don't need that much because it's only 10 volume, so you don't need to leave it on that much. But anyways, I'm gonna show you what I'm using, and yeah. Okay, so to color my hair, I use 5N, which is medium brown, and I use 3N, which is ebony brown. They have a 4N, just that they were out of stock when I went and bought. Last time I went and bought my color, so I just last time I mixed 3N and 5N together, so it does 4N. So you guys know, I usually use 4N, which is like a dark brown. But Draco, like this is Draco by the way, it has a tendency of like turning out like pretty dark. So, but it's okay because after the first wash, it's like the color that I want, so it's fine. I have measuring cups, and yes, I only use this for color. I don't use it for baking. And like I said, I use 10 volume, which is 3%, so it only does like a deposit of color. And then I use like a brush like this to apply the color. Sorry, it was in my hair. And yeah, just like this to apply the color. And I just have like something to put it in, and I just wash it every time and I do it. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and apply the color, and I'm gonna show you how it looks after. And yeah, By the way, so you guys know, I have a really old video of how I apply my color. It's like one of my first videos, if you guys want to go and watch it, because I'm actually showing you how I apply the color and everything. It's really like thorough. I think the video is like 20 minutes long, but I'm not gonna do that right now. I'm just gonna apply it and show you how it looks after. And yeah, so if you guys want to see like a more thorough and more in details video, you can go and watch this one out. But for me, like today, I'm just gonna show you like a vlog style process. So yeah, I'll be right back. Okay, so you guys can see I separated my hair in 4. So I'm gonna do like this part, this part. This is the back first, and then I do front. And yeah, this is how, sorry, this is how long my hair is right now. I'm probably gonna cut it up to here. And because you guys can see, I have a lot of like, see, like, my hands are just like disgusting, to be honest. So it's time for a cut. Last time I cut it was June, I think, and I did cut it up to here. So it's pretty good growth, but it's time to let go of the ends. Okay. So I mixed my color. I put a little bit of Vaseline so it doesn't stain my scalp too much. And yeah, so I'm gonna show you after it's all colored. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay guys, so the color is applied and I can already brush it off. I just applied it and it basically turns right away because it's only 10 volumes. So you only have to like put it for like what, 20, I think it's 25 minutes. But I take long to apply it, so you can tell like once it turns pretty dark like this, it's already like almost done processing. So I'm just gonna wash it off because anyways, I don't need it to be like super dark. I don't even need it to like cover my crease. I don't even care. I just want some shine, so that's why I do it. And yeah. And also I just want to say the reason why I don't do 5N, because 5N is actually kind of like my natural color, because I like how it's kind of dark and then fades, because I don't do my color every month. I do it like every like 6, 7, 8 months, or whenever I feel like doing it. Just so you guys know, it's not something that I do every month. I just do it like once in a while whenever I want my hair to be like shiny or like it looks better or whatever. So I just do it once in a while. Honestly, like maximum I do it like twice a year, and that's it, maximum. So yeah, I'm just gonna wash it off and then I'm gonna blow dry it, and then maybe I'll cut it today or maybe tomorrow. I'm not really sure yet, so we'll see. Okay guys, so this is the next day, by the way, because last night I was just like, I wasn't late, but I just didn't feel like doing my hair anymore. So what I did today, you guys saw, I colored my hair and then I blow dried it really fast, and I didn't do anything. This is my hair like just blown out with a brush. And yeah, so you guys can see like this is about, I don't know if you can see actually. It's about my length. I'm gonna cut it to like up to here, but anyways, every time I cut it, I'm like, oh yeah, I'm gonna cut it here, and then I end up cutting it like somewhere here because I start freaking out. Because disclaimer, I'm not a hairdresser at all. I used to work in a hair salon. Some of you probably know because I mentioned it like before. I used to work in a hair salon, so that's why I know like the colors a little bit, and I know like a few stuff. But I don't cut hair. I don't know how to cut hair. Just for the record, I'm gonna use my like cuticle like nail scissors. I used to have hairdresser scissors, but they're not good anymore, so I just cut it with this. And anyways, most of the time I just cut the length, like, and then here in the front I just cut like wherever it's dead, and that's it. Because I'm trying to grow out like the top part, because the back actually grows like really fast. Yeah, it grows really fast. Last time I cut it, it was like up to here, and then I already have all this growth from like what, 6 months. To me that's a lot. Also it's like because it's always braided at the back. You guys know I wear like half U-part wigs, so it's like always braided at the back, so it grows like really fast compared to the top. But now it's been growing so much, it's like up to here, so I might cut just a bit at the ends, maybe, seeing how it looks. And yeah, I'm just gonna go for it and see what happens. It's not that I don't care, I just don't put too much effort into it, because anyways, you guys know like 90% to 95% of the time my hair is braided, so it's not that much of a big deal for me. So don't come for me, like I just do like whatever, okay? And my hair grows after, so I must be doing something like half right? So guys, so this is the final results. You guys can see it's not straight or anything like that, but like I said, I never wear my hair like that anyway, so I don't really care if it's like exactly like super straight. If I really want it to be straight, I will just ask my mom. But the thing is, like I said, I never wear my hair like that anyways, so it doesn't really matter, honestly. Like I'm always gonna have a wig, or if I don't, my hair is always like in the bun, like a super high bun, so you can't really tell that my hair is not straight. Yeah, because I don't wear my hair down because it's really it's pretty fine, honestly. Like I just feel like I can't really do anything with it, so that's why. Yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I know it was a bit different. I didn't really know what to do today, but I was like, you know what, let me cut my hair, and this is what I'm doing. Sometimes what I do, like throughout the next day, I'll go back and just cut little strands if I see like one is like really standing out or something like that. But other than that, like this is pretty much it. And also, you guys know I did my color yesterday. Just so you guys know, usually it turns out a bit more dark than this time. I think I had a lot of 5N compared to the 3N, so that's why the mix was like not exactly like it used to be. But like I said, usually I just use 4N, so it's supposed to be dark. But this is basically my natural color, but with more shine. That's what 5N is, because I'm a 5N, if you guys are wondering. And yeah, that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.